Hi everybody, welcome back to another DesignSpark Electrical overview and tutorial video. This video is going to cover report generation. So up to this point now, we've gone ahead and we've added our symbols, we've assigned manufacturer parts, we've numbered all of our wires, and so now it's about time to start to finish off the project by generating these reports. So under the Projects tab, we have the Reports icon. And when we select that, the Reports Manager opens and we can see that we have the default bill of materials and the wire list available to us. Now, if you aren't using wires and you're only using cables, you do have the ability to come into the configuration selector and select one of the cable reports rather than the wire report. One thing to note though, in DesignSpark Electrical, you are limited to only 2 report types. So you cannot run more than 2. So if you want to add cabling, you'd have to remove wires or the bill of materials in order to generate these other reports. But for right now, we're going to stick to our bill of materials as well as our wire list. So on the right-hand side, we could see just a quick reference of what is going to be generated within this particular report for our bill of materials, as well as our to from wire list, overall list of wires. In order to generate our drawings, we're going to go either to generate drawings, or what you can do if you don't want to add it directly to the project, you can export these directly to Excel, to a text file, or to an XML. These are great for when you need to connect to other software packages, or maybe to something like a label printer or something like that, where you can read those directly in. But for this particular project, we're going to go ahead and generate our drawings. I'm going to select the reports that I want. And on the left-hand side, inside the project and the document tree, we can see that we now have our reports available to us. If we open these up, we can see a quick view of what our reports look like. In this case here, I only have the one manufacturer part, all 6 references of that part, a description, how many, and the manufacturer. Our wire styles, we can see a to from information, which is also hyperlinked. So if we double click that, it will take us to the page where that wire is. The wire number, its gauge or section, as well as a length and reference page. Now the length here is going to be 0 because this is DesignSpark Electrical. If we were working in SolidWorks Electrical and we were connected to the 3D side where we could route our wires automatically, once those wires are routed in the 3D space, that information is pushed back to these reports later on. So now that we've got our reports, the next logical step would be to push this out and create an exported version of that. There are a few different options for exporting. In particular, we have the ability to export to a DWG or export to a PDF. So in this case here, I'm going to go ahead and export to a PDF because I have my entire project. And you have to give it a file name. What size sheet do you want to put this on? In this case here, I've assigned it to a letter size sheet. I've called it DSE for DesignSpark Electrical Project. And I'm going to go ahead and create that PDF. It automatically opens it, and we can see that we have our new project in a PDF. The nice thing is all this information is hyperlinked inside of our document as well. So again, I hope that helps with creating your reports and the different options you have available to you for generating those reports and even exporting out to a PDF. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.